This is Greg Orloff coming to you live from IIoT World out in Denver, Colorado. I'm here with Susie from Siemens.
Hi.
We're at an innovation event, and she's going to talk to us about the mobility concept that they've developed. So what are you going to do here? What do you got a tablet, it looks like, Susie?
So here you see a tablet. I think you're all familiar with using tablets in your private life, but now it's time to bring tablets to the process industry.
Okay.
So to do that, a tablet, of course, needs to fulfill some specific requirements. So this tablet has a certification for a Class 1 Div 2, so it can be used inside your plant everywhere. It has a hot swap battery function, so in one, when the battery is low, you can just replace the battery without the need for use any tools. And the most important part for our solution, it has an integrated RFID reader.
Wow, okay. So you can read RFIDs, it's good for hazardous locations, and you can hot swap batteries. I'm with you so far.
Good
So what do we do with it
Very
now?
good. So imagine you need to perform a maintenance job. For example, on this pressure transmitter we're having on.
Okay.
How has it been done until now? So the maintenance guy was really dependent on the operator in the operator station because he needs to call him, say, okay, can you please put it into maintenance mode and tell me a little about the values of that device? Or in some cases you're having a panel like some feet away where this information is displayed. Nowadays we're having the mobile tablet. So we're having this transponder over here, and you remember we're having an RFID reader on the back. So what we can now do is we have the transponder mounted up here or next to the device, and I just can go up there, scan the transponder, and then the faceplate of this specific pressure transmitter is displayed over here, and I can perform my actions up here. For example, when I do some pumping, you can see the value changing. So now on my job, I'm completely independent from the operator. And also from a security perspective, because mentioning every guy could go there with a tablet and to perform some actions. But you can see that everything else in the project is gray. So it can only access the specific faceplate to this pressure transmitter and nothing else inside the plant.
So you're only reading that transmitter, digitalization within the company. Great. Well, thank you for the overview, Susie.
And also another point that I want to stress is, as soon as I'm moving away from the tablet, it's automatically disconnected.
Okay.
So this is a really crucial part of the security aspect we want to cover.
Thank you so much.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
the time.
Have a good day at the fair.
Thank you. We will.